So guys, we're changing rooms because...
Hello guys, this is Marcel and Jamina back again for one more video to help you save money in Portugal for hotels, you know, different places, apartments, and so on and so forth. So if you're here and new to the channel, subscribe, give a thumbs up. Not only if you're not subscribed, but if you're subscribed, give a thumbs up to this video if it's gonna help you anyways. So we are in the hotel in Albufeira called OURA Senses. We made a video a few months ago about the place. It's a nice place. We really enjoyed it. It was really nice, very clean and organized. And we decided to come back. I have good news because we are on the other side of the hotel, which was the side that I really wanted to stay at first. But it's not that the other side is not good. It's just like this side here is it's bigger. There's more space, there's more room, and I thought it was only for groups of people. If you come in like 3, 4, 5 people, you could come to this side here, but I was wrong. We are a couple, we came here. I don't know if they put us by mistake, but thank you very much, Aura Senses, but we are here. I'll show you around. It's really nice and cozy, very spacious. I don't know if you have the opportunity to choose where you want to stay, but I'll show you the place now. So as you guys could see, we are in the bedroom, very spacious. I think it's bigger than the other one, to be honest. There's a lot of room. I know that the video doesn't make it justice, but it's very spacious, to be honest. I prefer this room than the other one, just because of the space. If you have kids, I think this will be a good place that you can stay with your kids.
No, I think this is just a couple's room.
I think just a couple. They probably wouldn't.
No, it's not for a group of family.
Yeah, no group of family. So, but yeah, very spacious. I like this design of putting the light bulb here in a row. It looks really nice. Maybe in the evening, I'm gonna show you how it looks like from the inside. And I like they have sometimes lights underneath the bed. I don't know if they have here, and this one here, but they have on that the other one. My favorite thing in the hotels, TV. I like the TV in Portugal. AC, of course, we can't survive in this place without AC. And then you have plenty of space for you to put your clothes. And then you have also on the other side, over here, you put your things here. And yeah, nothing else to show you here in the bedroom. What did you say? She was saying something very interesting.
So the room that we stayed in on the other side is a lot well kept than this, like in terms of the toilets and everything else. So aesthetically, that side doesn't look great, but I feel like inside is a lot better than this side here.
Then of course this side here, so you have the island, which is really nice. You can sit down and eat here. And then, yeah, I think the things that actually the ladies told me, when you open this first drawer, you can see, there is actually another drawer here. You can open here. Nice, isn't it? It's going to open here. So you have the little fridge over here. And you have more space here. They have cups, toaster. Yeah, places here. You have cooker here. And then also here, you can put your clothes here if you want to. I think that's a first aid. If you need it, it's there. And then on the other side, you have, what's that? That's a microwave, yeah, microwave. You have like, you can't open this for some reason. You have like more space here, plates, and then here, the cutlery. Cutlery. Then, yeah. Very nice. So right in front of the swimming pool, You come out, you go to the swimming pool straight away.
It's soundproof, so if you're worried about noise, you can't hear anything because the hotel next door has loud music.
Yeah.
You can only hear it if you open the door. So it is soundproof, it's not very loud. We can't hear the girls speaking outside either.
Yeah.
And I think this would be classified as a bed.
As a bed as well, yeah. So if you come like 3 people, one person sleep there, one person sleep on the other side.
So yeah.
So when we leave the bedroom, we have this beautiful mirror over here for the ladies when you're getting dressed. So you also have this mirror on the other side. If you haven't watched the video, go and watch the video. You will enjoy it. And then right here is the toilet. Very good, clean, simple, organized. You have the shower there and the shower up there. You have towels as always. This is one thing that I personally don't really like it, because when you're having shower, people can just see it. Of course, if you're a couple, you definitely don't mind, but if you come with a friend, it's not ideal, to be honest, but of course, it's there. And then I've noticed there's a few things that are broken here, but of course, for example, you can see this in the hands of the door here, I don't know. Broken there on the side, and of course it's not well fitted, if I can put it. Is that the right word to say?
Open. I think it was well fitted. It's just the water.
Yeah, I think if water goes inside, I don't know, can create mold and stuff. But yeah, that's the toilet. So that's it. There's nothing more that I need to show you. It is nice and cozy. It is better than the other one, no, but there's a few features in this room that is slightly bigger. It's just bigger.
This room is more spacious. It's when you look at the pictures of the hotel, this is where
this is what you see. Yeah.
This is the pod, right? But I wouldn't say that it's better than the other one, because the other one has a balcony that faces the outside and it's private, whereas this one you have neighbors across and there's nothing to cover you from your neighbors. And the front part as well is just where the pool is, so there's no privacy if you want that. Whereas the one up there doesn't have the balcony in front. It does, but it's also like a walkway for everyone else. Yeah. But the back one is an actual balcony that you can like dry your stuff, your clothes, and there's no one in your business. So there's the pros and cons.
For both. But I'm happy that we managed to
we
experience both. The next one, hopefully, all the senses, if you are watching this video, put us in the upper one, the one at the top. It's probably a nice view from there anyways.
So guys, we're changing rooms because we've been to the other side. I prefer the other side. This side here is just not giving. It's a beautiful place indeed. Look at that. Kitchen, amazing. TV, sofa. But look at this. No privacy. Like, I can't open here and enjoy myself because there are people at the pool, and this isn't even, I mean, like, for instance, we can't walk freely here because of lack of privacy. Kitchen, everything, as Marcelo showed, is perfectly fine, but as you can see, there's just like, look at the walls, they're all messed up. There's a lot of like mold around here. And you see that button there, that's just the pin, you're meant to click it and it's meant to make that shower work, but because this is not working, I have to use the shower head. We don't wash our hair every day, so that's complicated in itself. And just this condition, I'm a sensitive flower. I cannot be amongst mold like that. And if you see here, the crack, and yeah. And then the other thing as well is just there's no privacy. Like here, it's not even like there's anything blocking us from all the other neighbors. Everyone can see each other here. There's nothing, so there's no privacy at the front, there's no privacy at the back, there's just no privacy anywhere. So we've decided, and we asked the gentleman if we can move, and they were very nice. And of course I explained that it's not just because we are trying to be bougie, it's because it's just not the best place to stay. So we're moving. We're saying bye to this place here. I know there's a lot of people that would like to stay at the pods, but me personally, I prefer the other side. It's a lot better. So we're moving. And we'll do a video, maybe an extra video to show you how the other place is. So bye-bye place. Bye-bye.
So yeah, so that's enough of me. Subscribe, give a thumbs up to the video. If you have any questions, put that in the comment. We are more than happy to answer your questions. And see you in the next one. Bye.